Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. My name is Walt, and in this video, I'm going to discuss online banks. Before we get started, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Currently, you may access your bank accounts online, as I would suspect all brick and mortar banks now offer that option to execute banking online. As of the past few years, you may have noticed the emergence of online banks. By online banks, I mean no building, no physical bank tellers. You open the bank account online, you execute all transactions online, and if you need to speak to a representative over the phone or online. In the next 10 years, I believe it may be the way banking is predominantly done. So let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of the online banks. The only positive and most important pro to me is the high interest rates. Since online banks do not have the normal physical bank branches, there is less overhead, which in turn allows them to offer more to you in interest rates. Not only will you see interest rates on savings, money market, and CD accounts that are higher than your traditional banks, but the interest rates won't be introductory or for a certain period of time. Now, let's look at some of the cons. The first con with the majority of the online banks will be the lack of access to your money. You may not be able to readily find an ATM machine in which you can withdraw money. Actually, from what I've seen, a lot of the online banks do not allow that option. I would suspect, though, that as time goes on, this will be an issue that will become minute, as most, if not all, will allow for cash withdrawals via ATMs. The second con will be that it can be difficult to add money to your accounts. Usually, you will have to transfer money from your brick and mortar bank to your online bank. Once again, I believe as time goes on, there will be options that will be more convenient for the account holder to deposit and withdraw money. As online banks stand today, I think it's a great way to start a new savings initiative so you can get the most return on your money that you would normally have sitting in a savings account. I would suggest not opening a checkings or any account that you feel you would need the money readily. But overall, I definitely would recommend starting off opening an account with a $100 deposit and just monthly adding to it and going from there. Because 10 years from now, the online bank may very well be the choice banking option. That does it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.